Looking at PPC right here. Loading Marketsurge right now. And look at PPC. Looks like earnings came out. So this is still have negative earnings going forward. So I'm not gonna look into it too much. Okay. I'm just looking at stocks on the move right now. TKO, that's the one that I've been missing. Today's date is 13. Let's fix all the dates here. These are all the stocks that are moving on the stocks on the move today. And look at TKO. This one's been running a while, I think. Yeah, look at this. Really nice. I miss this buy point right here. I'll just put in my watch list here just to see how it trades today. I like to look at leaders, how they trade throughout the day. If they continue to show strength, it gives me a sign that I can buy some growth stocks today. If it kind of weakens throughout the day, then um, tells me that growth stocks don't have, especially ones that are strong. If they weaken by the end of the day, then you probably don't want to get into the market, right? Even with other stocks. So what's TKO? Just want to see. It's 1312. Let's open this one. Let me go to TKO for a second. So this is rank 32. Pretty strong. 32. So here it went up in ranking from yesterday, but like I said, it is extended. Okay. Let me make sure check for two for a second here for two. A lot of the Chinese stocks been moving. My volume is high enough. For two. This one shows I have a position here. Let me just double check. Okay. Yes, I do have a position. Um, so yeah, you can see my last buy point was here. Took some partial profit here. It's running still. Let me raise the stop here. Because when there's an update, you tend to want to raise your stop because you want to follow the stock market trend and kind of lock in some potential gains at 10545. So I'll set my stop. So again, the stock has been climbing the right side pretty fast. Now let me load the stocks on the move screen here. So we have app loading, HIMS, SN, Cyber, INOD, CRH, Root, Sizzle, Qfin. We just talk. Qfin is another one that's moving. Sizzle, TKO, Duo, Coin, SMCI, Argo, MCO, CLS, ALAT, Bevan, Shop, Twillo. So look at the volume today. Humongous volume. 1 hour into the trading, it's still high volume. It's really good. Lots of. Let me. Two names not on my list yet. So again, I like to track all the stocks on the move. Shop. The shop is today. The shop chart here. It's moving to new high ground right now. So with this 7% here above me, I have a strict criteria. Should be over 10%. So for that reason, I need to not trade this. Again, there is momentum right now, so it's okay. But if you want to trade, the other one is Twillo. Let me take a look at that one. Well, this one's reporting too today. It hasn't reported yet, so after hours today. So I don't want to trade the stock before earnings come out. The next stock is Bevan. So Bevan is a financial stock. We're not doing that well, right? It does have earnings though, but it's not doing that well. I mean, you could put an alert line just in case it breaks. So it fell right here. It fell right here. So but today it did bounce though. So Since we're talking about financials, so this one has 3% down here, so a little bit low on earnings in the future. Uh, okay, so for two we look at already. Qfin, so 101 to 129. It's a good number. It's making a new high right now. Yeah, so this is a good one. Let's see what its ranking is. 61. Not bad. Qfin 61. So it jumped from 102 to 61. Again, Chinese stocks are really moving right now. Just setting up my watch list on my interactive brokers right now. Rid- hmm, so there's a negative here. It's moving momentum though. But anyhow, I won't trade this. Oops. What happened? So CISO, I talked about this yesterday. The strong earnings, right? It hasn't reported yet, but it started to bounce right here. And I said if it can close strong, I will get into it, and I did. Today it followed through. I'm just looking at the price right now, up 4%. Um, I'm just thinking whether I should take some partial gains right now. So today, Trump will announce reciprocal tariffs, right? But the market is acting pretty strong today. So I don't know if it will reverse or whether what it will happen. But right now the momentum is still strong on the growth stock side. Um, the reason why I want to take profit is because it's really extended from the 10-day. The 10-day is still below the 50-day. 324 is the previous high right here. 319 right now. It might go up a few more points before it comes back down. We'll see the intraday chart. So it hasn't really tested the low. So that's why I don't like update that is strong, because you never test the lows, right? Like I like to see if it tests this low. Um, it is making higher lows though. Okay. I'm still in a general market condition. I'm still in a sell and hold pattern, which means I'm not trying to buy aggressively at all. Um, yeah, I think I'll take a small partial profit here, just because it is really far extended. But you know, Chinese stocks, they can go really far. For example, if you look at Baba, this one has run like crazy. It is pretty extended now. Look at today, it's still test the lows right here. It doesn't have the earnings I'm looking for, but it has momentum. Um, Yeah. So what I'll do is I'll take some partial gain and I'll raise my stop here 271.64 on 10-day moving average. Okay. So that's that. Um. Okay. Let's check out. I think that was the last one on the financial stock list here. Okay. Let's go back to stocks on the move. Just seeing if look at the volume. It just won't go down much. Let me just refresh. Sometimes it doesn't update right away. 116.2. Okay, so it's still pretty high. SMCI, Billy, lots of strong stocks right now. It's even though I'm in a sell and hold in general, I'm buying small pilot positions for new ones just to test it. When I say pilot, I mean like really small, like 1/10 of a position that I normally buy, just to see what the market, whether it will work. So far, it's been working. Like I said, I bought Sizzle yesterday. It's working. Um, SMCI and Billy. Let me add those to the list. SMCI. I haven't looked at this stock in a while. SMCI. And it's climbing the right side. So it just reported. Look at the number. March. The next quarter is down 0.67 to 0.63. So not very good earnings guidance going forward. But it has momentum right now. Billy. So strong earnings. And I think I still have this one. Yeah, I still have this one. So I bought in here and then it pulled back. And then I had to like kind of sell a little bit just to protect against a stop. And then it bounced from there. And now it's bouncing really strong. So looking good. So this one is working because it's making new highs. Um, so let me just. I'm not gonna do anything with this because there's no way near buy point. But I just like to track, see how it's moving throughout the day. But I should also raise the stop. This is a nice update. 10-day moving average is at 1812. We'll raise that stop here. That's good. Again, Chinese stocks are working. That's one thing I've noticed lately. Okay, We'll start from the top today. Since I tracked all these names already, I'll go through the rest on my own time. We have about slightly less than 10 minutes left on the stream. So, App Living. I was in this stock, but I sold before the earnings. Um, it was trading really tight. Like that was a sign that there's some like institution doesn't want to sell. Um, but I got chicken and yeah, and I sold before the earnings. So it's definitely my fault. But anyhow, you can see it has reversed from the top, right? You know, that's probably the trickiest market right now. Is you think, oh, all these stocks are running, but it could be a gap up, and this is the new base forming, like for the next month. So I would really be cautious because the general market is still really weak right now. So any macro news, we could see uh huge problem. So yeah, but the earnings are good, right? So it did slow down. A lot of I mentioned this before. A lot of software tech stocks are showing third or fourth quarter really like down. So towards the end of this year, I don't know. I think we're gonna have don't look good for the market. But the market could sell a long time before that this quarter, right? Um, yeah. Anyhow, just want to point that out. A very strong stock, but and it's a little bit it's quite extended now. So let me see. This is within the base. It breaks out. Um, so you could buy into the stock when they break out from a base, but I wouldn't buy it just because it has pulled back. Now, if during the day it finds support, let's say it bounced off this low a few times and then it bounced, then that is a good sign. But if you keep hitting new lows, come back up, hitting new lows, come back up, then you probably don't want to buy because there might be more selling the next day. And if it bounced, then that's good. That means it has tested the low, right? So that's how I would look into it. But for now, it's just on my watch list. Again, I missed this stock, unfortunately. I was in it and I got out because I was too chicken. Um, okay, let's see. ANET. I haven't traded this stock for a long time just because I believe the earnings are not the strongest. So a little bit below 10% here. But it's a good stock overall. It's been going up this year. Coin, it's reporting today, so there is one quarter here that's negative. A lap here. So here's a negative quarter here. It just reported. Didn't do well at all. Look at that. Yeah, not good. Apple. A lot of these stocks just the earnings. This one. I mean, yeah, single digit here. It's bouncing today. Some momentum right now. Cyber reported. Uh, not very strong earnings. Duolingo. So this one, I was in it and then I got knocked out. Um, so right here, I got knocked out yesterday in the morning and then it bounced back. So because I'm kind of in the sell and hold pattern, but I couldn't resist buying back into it. Like, um, usually I would buy in back full position plus more, but because I'm not very confident in this general market. It's funny I keep saying that, but the market seems to do okay on the growth stock side. So again, if so, yesterday was the first day I think that growth stocks behaved pretty good. Today could be the second day, so you can see they follow through today. Um, so we'll continue to monitor them. Again, if things start to work better and better, and you know, um, I will get back in like more full position kind of thing. But right now, we just have to be a little bit patient and see. Um, so this is looking good. Okay, so most of this I looked at already. So those are the tech stocks. So HIMS is still going strong. Sharp Ninja. Let's look at Sharp Ninja. It reported today. See it reversal. This is not good. I don't like the reversal on app, on SN so far. It's like complete reversal, right? It's not even partial. So still some negative, like lower earnings here. So this doesn't give me confidence when stocks reverse like that. Like imagine you bought into it this morning, now you're down. So again, not a good sign. And not dual root CRH protein way. So this is going positive. The earnings really strong. Look at this stock. Incredible. No one even talks about this stock. Like I missed this for sure. I don't know how I missed it. If I look at Way, ranking 77, pretty strong. Way is computer software medical. I think that group has been acting well lately too. Again, I'm watching all these leaders today, the ones that are moving up, how they trade throughout the day. 77. So yeah, I think this is pretty much the stream. Yesterday I took very pilot position. You can see 10% Duo, Sizzle, Dash, UTHR. So Duo we already saw is up, Sizzle is up, Dash is down slightly. Uh, UTHR is also down slightly today. AT&T, because I feel power in Chinese stock, so I took a full position in that. It's down slightly today. So those are the buys from yesterday. But again, there's lots more sells than buys as well, so I didn't show it, but that's why I'm not confident in this market. A lot of stocks are hitting their 10-day right now. The one stock I have that got pound today from earnings is DSP. So here you go. Oh, not earnings. There's no earnings. I'm not sure why it went down so high. So I'm out of this one now. But yeah, hope you join me on live stream every day around 8:30 to 9 o'clock Mountain Time. Usually I start a little bit earlier, but today I start roughly at 8:30. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.